Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I want to talk about, the Green Day. We're in a bull market right now, a temporary bull market, I believe. But I could be wrong. I'm hoping I'm wrong, and this rally continues to keep going. We'll see, but I think we're in a temporary rally, and I've been selling off a little bit here and there, trying to gather as much profit and cash as possible. So just for the next red day that we are probably going to experience tomorrow, I think this is a temporary rally. I believe that we will be in the red tomorrow. So let's begin. So I'll talk about Kira. In the morning, I saw Kira up a little bit, and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna just sell it just in case it tanks back below $7. Like an idiot, I did not read the news for Kira today. I was just like, I sold Kira without reading it, and then suddenly I read this news. I sold Kira at $7. I bought Kira yesterday at 6 something, and I sold Kira at $7. Oh, 6 something, 6.96 for like a 3% profit. If I only read this news yesterday, I would have realized that I was an idiot, and I could have just hold on for a little bit longer to sell, and I lost out. Maybe even hold on for it longer, long term, but basically they're launching CBD products. Now they're getting into the space of Charlotte Web, so they're going to be selling CBD products online nationally, like international, like US wise nationally, because Truelieve is a US company at the end of the day. Even Aurora is up today. Yay, Aurora up 32 cents, 4%. That's a lot of money. Every 50 cents is like $450 million increase in price, or even closer to $500 million. So I think they got like $300 million today increase in market cap. Canopy also up massively. I could sell off this because I do believe that this is temporary, and I do believe that the stock's gonna plummet back to $40. We'll see. Afria up 5%, just following the trend. Did Afria have any news today? Nope, no news for Afria today. Namaste didn't. Oh, Namaste up 4% too, kind of following the trend. Following the trend of the wheat stock. I did purchase some Namaste in the morning. I noticed everything was green, so I took the leap of faith to buy some Namaste. Got it at a pretty good price, but I'm not gonna review my price because that's for my members to know. Horizontal MJ, following the trend. All the wheat stocks are up. This is up too. T-God, up massively, 6.33%. Man, I wish I bought some yesterday. Could have got some at like 3.15, but nope. Oh well. Maybe if it declines next time. This is like the best swing trade stock ever. It always goes up and down. Like, look how volatile this stock is. Like, just look how in the past 5 days is like down, up, down, up, down, up. Like, you can probably make, if you were good at swing trading, you would have made so much money off T-God. Just saying, huge volatility, really good money, really easy money to be made in T-God stock. Harvest Wine, I bought this stock yesterday. I did some research, so I do understand this company. It has extreme low volatility, so that means that there's very little investor interest. But I don't know. I don't think it's that bad of a company. I think they have a shot of being one of the surviving players, and possibly. I honestly believe that the stock price will move up eventually once once the earnings come out, because they are producing a decent amount of cannabis. And I'm gonna make a more dedicated video on Harvest One for my members. So, you know, for people that don't, you know, people, yeah, people that want to know my side of things, you can do your own research. It's easy to do research on this company, but if you want to know my thoughts on it, my research on it, you know, check out my membership group. New Age Beverages. I did take a little bit of a profit today on New Age Beverage. I sold off a little bit at $3.99 because my corporation account had no US dollars on it. And I saw, you know, it up a little bit, so I sold off a little bit because, you know, just in case Acreage Holdings goes down, I can buy more. But I needed to secure some US cash so I could buy Acreage Holdings, basically. Or just in case this stock does tank back down to $3, I can buy back in. I know I said I was going to be a super long-term hold on this, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna treat this as a more of a. I'm gonna treat everything as a swing trade stock, because, you know, why not? Right now, being a long-term investor in this kind of market could be stupid. So I'm gonna get a profit whenever I can. Even though I really like this company, I would definitely buy more if I ever see a big drop down to $3. I will make a big position into it if I ever see $3 again. That's for sure. But I still do believe in this company long term. I did take a small profit because I needed cash, because my corporation basically had no cash. So I sold off a little bit of New Age Beverages. But I still believe in this company long term. I do believe, yeah, so short term, it might go back to $3. I'm hoping it goes back to $3 so I can buy some more. So Acreage Holdings up today. I honestly don't believe this stock will ever go down to $20. It's up like pretty good today, because, you know, they raised $314 million at 25 US dollars. So they basically, yeah, 25 US dollars for a total of $314 million US. So 8 million was subscription receipts for gross proceeds of 200 million, and then the other one was raised by Canaccord, Beacon Security, Canaccord Security, A Capital, and Haywood Security for the rest of the 4.2 million shares, for a total of 104 million shares, $104 million. So it's kind of weird how it's like, okay, 12.56 million shares, but then if you look at Acreage Holdings, oh shit, let's see where this is right now. So Acreage Holdings has a total of 21 million shares. 12 million of that was raised through you know, 12, like, to raise $314 million. So I wonder, like, is Midas Letter really correct? Is it really like 130 million shares, or is it really 21 million shares? Because the other 8 million shares or 9 million shares could be just the management part of the shares. I could be totally wrong. I like, there is not enough information on, like, stock information. Like, when the financials come out, I can definitely figure it out, but right now I'm in the dark because they have no financials out. I don't know what the assets are. I don't know what the liabilities are. I don't know how much, like, revenue they make. So once that information comes out, I will know for sure exactly how many shares the company really has. But for right now, I know that I don't know if 21 million is real or is it 130 million, but regardless, I did my math, and I do believe that Acreage Holdings could, even with 130 million shares, I still think Acreage Holdings, once it becomes United States very legal, could be a five-bagger, at least a five-bagger, because I do believe that this company is going to $100 as soon as it gets listed on the New York Stock Exchange, because it's the #1 cannabis company in the United States right now. So that's why I believe, if you want more information on Acreage Holdings, check out my 7 US cannabis companies I'm looking into video that I released yesterday. Truelieve, up today because the rest of the market's up. I'm still down on this position a little bit, but oh well. This company delivers pretty good earnings, and there's a chance that somebody might come in and acquire this company and merge with this company to become even a bigger company, because this company is pretty good. I still need to do more research on this company. I'm not too sure on this company yet, but it is definitely one of the big US companies that I'm looking at right now. TerrAscend, kind of had a little rocket today. I was actually planning to buy some today, but it kind of rocketed on me. So maybe I'll wait until it declines a little bit. But I haven't bought any today yet. I do own a little bit shares of TerrAscend. Let's see Apple. Let's see what Apple is today. Apple barely rallying. There seems to be a huge lack of confidence and a lot of fear for Apple. Else Apple should be doing a lot better. Let's see how the Netflix is doing. Netflix, the worst company, the most overinflated company ever, barely a rally. Amazon, somewhat of a rally. Nvidia, down. That should reflect in AMD stock price. No, AMD is still rallying a little bit. Man, this would have been a perfect short, seeing this at $20 in the morning, but bam, I wonder what made it rise $20 in the morning. There's no big news right here, so oh well. Man, if I had my margin account and I saw this in the morning, I would have definitely shorted AMD stock. So I'm gonna end it off with Nova. Yesterday I went to Nova and there was nothing. There was no product in the store. There was one dry flower product, a couple of oil products, but the store was literally empty and there was nobody in it because they don't have any cannabis products. Fire and Flower was a little bit busy, and they did have some product, but it's so funny how every single product that's in Fire and Flower, Fire and Flower actually kind of ran out of product. They have very low inventory too. But when I looked at Fire and Flower, I noticed that most of Fire and Flower's products are half of it is basically Canopy, because cannabis is completely out in Canada, and Canopy is the only licensed producer that has lots of inventory and lots of cannabis production, so they can supply these stores with massive amount of cannabis because they have so much harvest. So I would not be surprised to see Canopy's revenue go to $200 million for a full 3 months of recreational sales. Sometime in February or January, depending on when they release their earnings. But I'm totally expecting at least $200 million, if not more, in total revenue for Canopy even if I do believe it, I still think this stock is going to go back down to $40. We are in a bear market right now, and I do believe that this stock will decline back to $40. That's just my belief. We'll, definitely going to be doing some selling today. I mean, I do believe Canopy in the long term, but I still do believe that this stock is declining back to $40 just because we're in a bear market. And even if things do make sense, it does not matter. This stock, I still do believe that this stock is declining back to $40. Aurora, following the trend, making me happy. Anyways, this video has been long enough. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.